Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove object from your photo using Picsart photo editor. So click on add icon at the bottom. You can select CO to add your photo you want to edit. Right, just click on photo. Alright, so I'm going to remove this onion from this photo. Just swipe to the right for the picture. You can find remove. Just click on this picture and just brush the object to remove and click on remove button. Just wait, it takes a long time. And you can see the object has been removed from the photo. But this picture is pro, so you can join to pro to be able to use this picture. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.